Hey guys, Nick here with the next episode in the It's Not Gourmet series. It's gonna be Paleo pot roast, and it's gonna be a bit of a tongue twister, but not in the sense that there's too many peas. We're actually gonna be using cow tongues as our protein. So get your tongues ready, and we'll be right back. All right guys, let's do this. Taking the lid off. I'm gonna take 1 cup of garlic cloves in the bottom. And then I'm gonna take 2 tongues. Boom, big boy. Right there. 1 more, boom, right there. We're gonna cover those guys with some salt, and then some pepper, a couple bay leaves. We'll call it 6 bay leaves, and then some water. From there I've got 10 cups of mirepoix. Kind of tuck that stuff down. As this stuff cooks down, it's gonna release some moisture, pair up with that water that'll just help things get started. And then I'm gonna take maybe 2 cups tomato product. And since that's kind of thick, I'll use a little bit more water to kind of wash it down. And then 2 more cups of mirepoix right on the top. And because I'm feeling a little adventurous and I've got some spare white wine handy, let's just give 1.5 cups of that and a little sip for the cook. All right, it's 10 a.m., but I have no problems. From there, all we're gonna do, pop the lid on, plug it in for 7 hours on high. Check this out. Whoa, that is tough to beat, baby. But the thing is that this meat is not tough, it's tender, all right? I'm gonna show you just what that's all about. We've cooked this off, cooled it down, and then peeled away all the fat. Grab our bay leaves, we'll toss those guys. And this is a good place to use your utility knife or petty knife. It's just gonna come in underneath here, cut down there, and see if we can take that same cut down the center of the tongue. It's actually a lot easier to peel when they're hot, but we're gonna do that this time. See that? Just like peeling a banana, baby. All right guys, the tongues are peeled, check it out. We'll discard the skin, and then we'll get into the tongue, boneless, super marbled, ultra moist, terrifically tender. Just chopping it up. No bones to worry about, no bones about it, baby. All right guys, tongue is chopped, huh? Beautiful. Wanna see? So tender. Delicacy, right? Don't be afraid of the tongue. And Jesse, the guy behind the camera, is not quite convinced, so I'm gonna set him up with a portion here. There's plenty of fat in there. So we don't need a lot of cooking agent. But we're just gonna get a couple spoonfuls of this stuff going for him. Boom, heat this up, serve it up. This is high energy food right here, guys. A lot of protein, a lot of fat. We got some carbs going on. I'm gonna go ahead and portion this out. We're gonna keep that heating up. We'll check back in when we got everything ready.
All right, dude.
Thanks, bud.
Let's try this.
Jesse's in the house. Man behind the camera, he's gonna give it a shot. Let's see what he thinks.
I was not convinced when I saw the whole tongue sitting there, but it looks a lot better than the plate.
Gussied that up with some truffle oil, a little black pepper.
Wow.
Huh?
This doesn't taste like tongue at all. No, seriously, it's
Tastes
good.
like tenderloin, right?
Yeah, it does. It's like,
very tender.
well, on pot roast is the right thing. It tastes like any pot roast would. Really nice and soft. It's delicious.
Awesome, dude.
I'm sold.
Thanks, man.
I'll let you cook it for me again.
I'll give you that. I'm giving him 50 bucks for saying that, you guys. So okay, so essentially we got 9 portions out of that. There's 8 here. These are pretty meaty, right? A lot of energy in there. What I do is just bust this out and balance it out with a couple pieces of fruit. All right. While all meals in the Paleo bank account are awesome, this one has a special place in my heart. I'll always look forward to eating that. Don't be afraid of the tongue, guys. Remember, it's not gourmet. And do your best at all times to keep it paleo.